Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Many of you knows me. My name is Kayongo. I have something again to share with you. This is good sharing because sharing is a powerful discovery of invisible string relationship or something that you never know and you can find a similarity by sharing. Yesterday evening, I received email from either from King Kanye, Superior Court, George Scott, or Anthony for defend Red Hook. The email was concerning the alternative court scheduling date for oral argument. I replied to know who filed the emotion because I didn't receive anything. Night when I was sleeping a little bit more awake, I was transferred in by George Scott because I didn't see about the case anymore. And he said that the attorney for Red Roof was stupid because he asked her to dismiss the case on the same date to render me miserable for him, and he refused to do so. You see now, him is not the attorney because attorney was a stupid. Him is not the former United States President Barack Obama. I like him very much. Him was a measure distribution. The person fired me on August 12, 2020, who the judges could dismiss this case to render me miserable. I said, oh. And my action, because even it is true because I confirmed to share with you because I suspected immediately when I left the courthouse. I saw the black African American boys, girls, and men, homeless, very dangerous everywhere I was, including on the bus that I took that days. On the next day at the work, I suspect the same thing to the message distribution and supervisor, Mr. Wisha, who made the story, take him out from a worker because I had the transparent bag under my table where they did not have the locker policy in employee handbook. I saw her next day very expressive clothes she wears. Very kindness told me makeup and including the top of the clothes that the top that she wear, the clothes on the top was the same color to the what I was in the courthouse. I never see that the lady looks that way on that days after I left Georgia Scott the courthouse. Then I confirmed, that was Mercer distribution that he dismissed my case wrongfully. Even on the June 2nd, there is something that was happened at the Mercer distribution. FedEx was there, pick up, and I had one Adam left, and I avoided to have a late. I said, okay, wait for me. I could grab the one Adam's left because I don't want to be late. Well, that was a high. I told Adam the way that is supposed not to take, and I immediately report before even I go back to send to ship the item. I asked the supervisor, please, I cannot reach it to fix that. You have a phone. If you can you fix it? Another rules that I report immediately to my supervisor for to avoid the delivery service item to the customer. On the same day, I said, oh, Georgia Scotter was involved on my fire with the commercial distribution, to whom I filed in employment. I was just on Monday or last week, it was completely dismissed. They asked me to go again in Key County Courthouse. I said, excuse me, no, it is better to know you and not to continue filing. My word to George Scotland, please stop threatening me. If you, that is why I requested the qualification of you. And you is part of those people who block my work and don't work it now. If you want to dismiss the case, to render me miserable, except you. It is a human make a decision. Me, I'm not a lawyer. I will not be in school of lawyers. I will not be a judge. I am just a simple human. But if you find that your joyful is to make me miserable for someone else to benefit to me, you can make a decision and dismiss it. I will not even be angry against you, nor against someone who has a similarity like you, color like you, nor they make someone a property because you dismiss the case for your desire to make me miserable. It is good to record. I'm speaking for record. No to file the suit against you, but for the record. You can dismiss. If you find it, because I don't only read the book for it all. Everyone who listen to the video, all of us use a credit card or debit card. When you run the cashier in the credit card, cashier will put exact amount that the credit card is you're going to pay. If the amount is insufficient, not enough money in your card, the card will decline. The card will decline. But if the card goes through immediately, it means that you have a sufficiency found in the card. Or if you find out that the card was not a sufficient card, my bank didn't have over withdraw. I never asked them to close over withdraw. I should have included over withdraw because the mother has delivered to you. Nothing happened. Even you find later on, you need not immediately notify me that no, the amount that you take a man that is insufficient. At that time, I will know because I wasn't working. Even I didn't have money at the same days. I could still have a next paycheck that is coming. I can pay the later quick. How I should know, Mr. George? You waited for the law, but you are not the judge for the justice, but you are the Lord to deter people. How you should know if you beat myself, put like to me, and then you did the same way I did. How you should know if someone never told you, and then you came to your house, you find your house empty. You have a right to request your material. No, you don't have it because you're animal. That is why you look at how to dismiss your case, my case, wrongfully. Wrongfully. And is continuously looking to dismiss it wrongfully. The day that I supposed weekly, I paid. The card did not decline. I never heard even of the return on my car. I never heard anything notice from a red to show that the money I paid was insufficient. I signed for weekly from July 6th to July 6, July 14 at 11. That the day that I supposed to be let law red if I didn't pay them, should take me out from his place or asking me to pay later free, because later free I cannot say anything. He did not do anything, and you are looking to make me miserable to what I had. All right, I am the one paying you, George Scott, but they depend me not to pay you. But you think that you have the power to dismiss my case, and I don't have the right to my personal property. Dismiss it in your desire. Make a black slave. You know what? That case you hired thousands of black slaves, including the Washington State Supreme Court, African American. You hired Georgia too. And I know that you the one block your part of block my work. You human. I'm not human. I am an animal. You are human. You went to school. I never been school of the law, but I went to school of a medical school. When I came from, everyone know that, oh, she graduated in medical school. I still have to be called in my country. Stop it, threatening me. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Je m'excuse d'être un peu inquiète à parler en anglais. Hier, il y avait reçu une lettre de la Cour de la part de la juge. Le juge m'a écrit, m'a dit des dates que nous pouvons avoir l'audience avec la personne qui avait volé mes histoires avant l'attente et que je devrais quitter l'hôtel. Et c'est pour cela que je l'adresse. Les juges m'avaient menacé de me faire du mal. Le même jour, après avoir la cour, je l'ai dit qu'il m'avait menacé avec le vagabond des Noirs qui vit ici. Et je lui demande de maintenant que de cesser de me menacer s'il veut annuler les histoires que j'avais demandé de me remettre. Il peut les faire. Il a le droit de faire ça, mais qu'il sache que je l'ai payé. Je l'ai payé. Et si maintenant je ne travaille pas, ça vient de lui. C'est lui qui avait bloqué le travail. C'est lui qui avait me bloqué complètement. Mais s'il voit que moi, je ne déserve pas d'avoir cet argent, qu'il fait sa décision. Mes chers amis, nous tous, nous avons, pour le moment, nous commençons à payer les histoires avec la carte. Et je crois que parmi d'entre vous utilisent la carte pour acheter quelque chose. Dans le cas que vous n'avez pas assez de l'argent dans la carte, qu'est-ce qui ne va pas? La carte ne marche pas. Mais si la carte marche, ça veut dire que vous avez assez de l'argent. Mais dans le cas que vous n'avez pas assez de l'argent, quelqu'un peut vous dire non, il n'y a pas assez de l'argent. Est-ce que vous pouvez compléter d'autres l'argent? Bon, c'est ça que vous devez savoir que non. Ma carte n'a pas assez de l'argent, mais je dois les compléter. Donc, si quelqu'un ne te dit pas ça, comment tu sauras? Comment tu sauras que j'ai le droit avant de prendre tes histoires? Et maintenant, moi, je les demande de me donner mes histoires. Ils sont en train de me menacer pour me rendre misérable. Alors, je demande au juge, si vous trouvez que je n'ai pas le droit de ce que j'avais demandé à celui qui a pris mes histoires, de me rembourser mes histoires, de me donner mes histoires, qu'il fait de ce qu'il croit que c'est bon. Je ne dois pas lui faire du mal. Je ne serai pas contre lui, ni contre personne qui se ressemble avec lui parce qu'il a fait la décision contre moi et qu'il cesse de me menacer ou bien de m'envoyer des vagabonds pour prendre ma vie inutilement. Je lui dis merci beaucoup de son service et qu'il cesse de me menacer. C'est bébé le soir. Merci beaucoup, juge. Merci à tout le monde qui va écouter ou pas. Seulement recorder que Dieu vous bénisse. Thank you.